Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to make text appear one by one in CapCut PC. If you find this video helpful, a like and subscribe would mean a lot. Alright, let's dive in. Now first of all, open CapCut. Okay, import the video over here onto the track. And after that, just go over here on captions on top and click on generate. Now it is generating. It is over. As you can see, it is appearing in sentences. Okay, what you have to do, just select all the subtitles and make sure you have selected in text apply to all. After that, just go over here on templates. Okay, you have to find one templates, this one. Now as you can see, the text is appearing one by one. So that's it for the video. That's how you can make text appear one by one. Thanks for watching.